Hello dear traders, you're watching daily currency market news on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. Last week, the Australian dollar was rising in value against the other major currencies, as the Reserve Bank of Australia did not confirm the viewpoint that the national currency was overvalued. Omitting the statement on the overvalued OC, Australia's regulator proved that it's quite pleased with the national currency's price at present. However, at this stage, it's not clear what pace of recovery the economy can cope with. Evidently, the Australian dollar's exchange rate will depend on external factors like before. Nevertheless, the positive stance on OC is open to doubt after the release of the weak data on the economic situation of China, the main consumer of Australian commodities. So the Australian dollar made correction, falling to the level of 0.7358. A lot of currency strategists expect the AUD-USD pair to go on in the downward bias. The pending Federal Open Market Committee meeting is likely to make an adverse impact on the Aussie's value against other currencies, especially if commodities will still remain on the bear market. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar was behaving with a polar opposite dynamic. Indeed, tumbling oil prices affected Canada's national currency and the loonie dropped in value. Such dynamic is predictable as the Canadian dollar depends largely on crude prices. In the early European session today, the USD CAD pair climbed over the level of 1.3165. However, the currencies of Norway, Brazil and Mexico that are also determined by oil prices sank to less degree. It proves that Canada's economy and the central bank's monetary policy are tightly related to crude prices. If oil slows down falling and Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz keeps the neutral stance, the national currency could strengthen. It was ИнстаФорекс News and me, Kate Nidachina. Have a nice trading day.